Hello everyone. This is going to be a tutorial on how to automate reading in multiple Excel sheets, right, aka tabs, into R and combining them. All right, so as an example, we're going to take this, we're going to use this Excel workbook. You're going to see that it's going to have five tabs. It's going to have similar data in each tab. All right, each tab is going to be named differently. Right, this is each tab is going to have the name of a soccer team, and the goal is to combine, read in all five tabs, read all the data from all five tabs, and then go ahead and combine the data into one data frame. Now this is helpful if you have maybe 20 or 25 tabs, basically a lot of tabs, and you want to read all that data in, and you want to combine it. All right, so let's go ahead and go into R. So you're going to need one package. It's Read Excel. I already have it installed. Say library. Read Excel, and we're going to have Excel. We're going to run that Excel workbook through Excel Sheets, which is basically going to name every Excel tab. All right, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's go ahead and save the names of each tab. Right, it's not saving the data at this point, it's only saving the name, so we're going to call it My Sheets. All right, and here's where you're actually going to read in the data, and you're going to, you're going to read every tab. So we're going to use an lapply function, right, a list apply, and what we're going to do here, so we're going to call the variable is going to be called teams. So we're going to take this My Sheets, right, which is every Excel tab, right, the name of every Excel tab, and then I'm going to create a function. We're gonna read the Excel. We're going to say read soccer underscore football, right, read the Excel workbook, and sheet, and then this is where we're going to say I, right, so that way it's going to read every sheet one at a time. It's going to be similar to a for loop. All right, and then we're going to say here the variable, the temporary variable, is just going to call it X. So every time we read a sheet, we're going to add a new column called team, and then we're going to name it I, right? So that means that it's going to name it, the first tab, it will name it Barca, the second tab LAFC, the third tab Real Madrid. That's simply, we're using this to name, right, so we can differentiate every sheet or every tab. And here I'm simply rearranging it because I'm going to want the name to be the first column. So we can see here, we could run it, and we could say that teams 1, you could see Barca, and we're going to have that data that's going to match what's in Excel. We could see team 2, right, the sheet 2, it's going to show up there. And if we try to do team 6, we're going to get an error, right? We're going to get an error because there was no sixth tab. All right, now here's where you're actually going to go in, right, because it's in a list form right now. And what we want to do is, we have all the sheets in one list. What we want to do is combine those 5 lists into a data frame. So here's where we use the do.call, rbind data frame, and then teams, right, that's the name of the list. So after running this, we now get all 5 sheets in one data frame. All right, and that's how you automate reading in multiple Excel sheets and combining it, the data in R. All right, if you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.